Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video guys, I'm just going to show you how to analyze forex pairs. Okay, I've seen that a lot of traders, they really struggle in this area of analyzing forex pairs. So guys, without wasting much of your time guys, as you know that I use TradingView for analyzing my charts. So let me open my TradingView. Okay, so basically guys, this is my TradingView. Okay, as you can see here, I prefer analyzing on a clean plain white chart. This is what I prefer. Okay, so here's the thing guys, when you want to analyze forex pairs, okay, so in today's video guys, we are going to use USDJPY. We are going to analyze USDJPY. Okay, so first thing that you need to do, you need to come to your monthly before you even do anything. You really need to come to your monthly. Whenever you are trading a forex pair, you should come to your monthly and see what is really going on there. Okay, so remember guys, as for me personally, I use trend lines. I use trend lines for, let me write. Okay, so I use trend lines, and I also use stochastic oscillator, and I also look at the market structure. Okay, so today we are going to cover on this these three things. Okay, let me put it here. Okay, so let me start by putting my stochastic oscillator first. So you just go to indicators, then you write stochastic, then you click on stochastic. So basically this is my stochastic here. Okay, so a stochastic oscillator, it is just an indicator which shows me when to buy or when to sell. And we've got here down below here, it's level 20. Here it's level 20, it means oversold. And here level 80, it means overbought. Okay, so this is the stochastic oscillator for you. And the settings for this stochastic oscillator, let me see. Okay, so the settings for this stochastic oscillator, on percentage K length, it's 5. Then on percentage K smoothing, it should be 13. Then on percentage D smoothing, it should be 14. Then after that, you click OK. So basically, these are the settings for our stochastic oscillator. Okay. So remember, guys, I said to you that whenever you are trading forex, first thing that you should do is to come to your monthly time frame so that you can see what is really going on there. So me looking at my monthly time frame here, you can see that if you zoom out like this, you can see that this thing it has been on a downtrend. USDJPY, it has been on a downtrend monthly time frame, and here it's trying to go on an uptrend, something like that. Okay, but it's fine. Okay, so if you zoom in like this, okay, if you zoom in like this, Okay, so basically this is from 1995. This chart is from 1995 to 2023. Okay, so if we really look at it like this from 1995 to 2023, you can see that this thing it's in a range, it's consolidating. We cannot say this thing is on an uptrend or a downtrend. Okay, so remember guys, as for me, I told you that we use the stochastic. So here's what we do when you're analyzing a forex pair. Okay, you just come to your you just come to your let's say for example your notebook, then you say monthly time frame, then you say monthly time frame, then you say stochastic, showing a sell. Remember I told you that level 80 here, it tells us that a forex pair has been overbought. Okay, or a forex pair a forex pair has been overbought. Okay, meaning that we must start looking for it, for a sell. So you say monthly time frame, stochastic showing a sell, then market structure. This is what you do when you're analyzing a pair. Then you say market structure, then you say consolidating. Okay, then you press OK. So this is basically this is what you should do whenever you are trading. Okay, then as you can see here on the candlestick here, you can see that last month, that was in June, right? We've got a green bullish candle, so meaning that on monthly we don't have a reversal candlestick pattern, meaning that let's say for example, for those, if you are looking for a swing trade, we have to wait. But let's look at the weekly. Then after you do this, make sure that you have to go to your weekly. Okay, so if you go to your weekly time frame, okay, remember what I said, you also have to zoom in like this. Let me remove this. Okay, then you have to look at the market structure. So if you look at your market structure here, you can see that this thing also from 1995, this thing it's consolidating, it's in a range. Okay, that's a fact. Okay, so after you do this, your next step is to look also at the market, is to look also at the stochastic. Okay, as you can see here, my stochastic here, it's at level 80, meaning that overbought, meaning that we must start looking for a sell. So as you can see guys, this is why you see that those people who do swing trading, okay, they sometimes hold a pair for like 2 years. Okay, it's because they identify these trades, okay, from weekly time frame. So after you do this, you make sure that you write also on your, you have to write also on your diary that, you know what, on weekly time frame, USDJPY stochastic is now on overbought. We must start looking for a sell. Remember, on monthly, the stochastic is also at level 80. We are looking for sales, right? On weekly, we are also looking for sales, right? then that's fine. After you do this, okay, make sure that you go to your daily time frame. So if you go to your daily time frame, right, as you can see, this thing it's bullish. Okay, as you can see on monthly time frame and also on weekly, when we zoomed out, it was consolidating. It wasn't on a bullish, it wasn't bullish or bearish. Okay, but if you zoom in right now, you can see that this thing you can see that USDJPY, it was consolidating on daily, consolidating, then it went up. Okay, then it was bullish. Okay, then it's fine. So on your diary, what you have to write is daily time frame bullish, market structure bullish. Then you have to write stochastic, it's at level 80. We must start looking for sales. As you can see, guys, on monthly time frame, as for me personally, I trust the stochastic oscillator. It simply shows me when to buy or when to sell in this stochastic oscillator. It was George Lane is the one who created it, the late George Lane. So after you do this, make sure that you write on a diary stochastic is at level 80. Okay, then after you do this, right now we are not yet drawing trend lines. We just want to look at the stochastic, and we also want to look at the market structure. And if you come also here on H4, you can see that our stochastic here, it's also at level. You can see that stochastic, it's at level 80, and you can see that market structure bullish. Okay, then that's fine. If you come also to your 1 hour time frame, you can see that stochastic is at level 80, looking for sales, and you can also see that market structure, it's bullish. Okay, so here's the thing when you want to analyze. Okay, make sure that you go to your daily time frame. So we've got rules when it comes to the stochastic oscillator. Let me write some rules for you. Okay, we've got this rule that we say no trend line, no entry. Okay, these are rules. Now what we are simply trying to say is that when the stochastic is at level 80, right, meaning that you are looking for sales, and there is no trend line on any time frame starting from daily time frame, right, to let's say starting from let's say these time frames are on daily time frame H4, H1, M30, M15, no trend line, no entry. Okay, so if I'm looking at USDJPY like this, okay, let's say for example I'm trading USDJPY, my stochastic here it's at level 80, right? If I draw a trend line like this, okay, if I draw a trend line like this, I think there's a trend line here, right? So basically this is my trend line here. There's a trend line here. I think we can both agree this is point A, then this is point B, then this is C, meaning that there's a potential that this thing it might fall. So let me delete this. Okay, remember guys, I said no trend line, no entry. So as we can see here on monthly time frame, it's showing us a sell. On weekly time frame, it's showing us a sell. Then as you can see also on daily time frame, we've got a trend line and it's showing as a sell. And as you can see here, there must be, let's see, as you can see here, also, you know, when the market is about to reverse, watch. Okay, when the market is about to reverse, okay, if there's one thing that that gives us a signal that the market is about to the market is about to drop or the market is about to go up, it's candlestick patterns. Okay, when you start to see candlestick like doji, like this one, a doji, something like this one, or these candlesticks, okay, here the candlesticks here, it simply means that the market is about to reverse. Okay, so you need to write down in your diary that let's say for example daily closure, let's say if there's a doji, you write daily closure, there's a doji, there's a bearish engulfing pattern, and as you can, and also like other reversal candlestick patterns. Some of them I don't know by their names, but I only know how to identify them. Okay, so after you do this, make sure that you go to your H4. Okay, so if you go to your H4, make sure that the stochastic is also at level 80 and also there's a trend line. So if you come here, you can see that there's a trend line here. Okay, you see where this thing is going. So eventually by just doing this is my trend line here on H4. Okay, as you can see here, remember I told you about reversal candlestick patterns. Look what is going on our H4. The market is giving us reversal candlestick patterns on H4, meaning that there is a possibility that USDJPY, it might drop, something like this. Okay, so these are signals now. The market always gives you signals that it's about to drop or it's about to go up. So let me delete this. Okay, so this is our H4 time frame. This is our H4 time frame. But here's the thing, guys. Let me tell you something. When it comes to trading, if the stochastic reach here, if the stochastic H4 stochastic comes here to level 20, and on daily time frame it's on level 80, we have to wait for it to go back to level 80. Now it depends on market structure on lower time frames like M30 and also M15. Okay, so let's say for example, is for me in my trades are using H4. Okay, so whenever I'm checking my chart after every 4 hours to see candlesticks, let's say for example, if I'm trading using H4, I was going to enter my trade here on 144.844. Yeah, but it's for me personally, I'm a day trader, and I also do swing trading, so I want to show you something. Then after you do this, make sure that you go to your H1 like what I told you. As you can see here, the stochastic is also showing us a sell. So let me show you a trick right now. So if you are a day trader, let's say for example, if you are someone who is a day trader, okay, so if you are a day trader, okay, if you are a day trader, here's how you identify your entries. Okay, you come to M30, you come to M15. This is where you find your entries. Remember guys, if you come to M30, let's say for example, as for me, if I'm entering my trades using if I'm day trading, I use M30. Okay, so remember I told you that on your diary you should write what is going on monthly, you should write what is going on your weekly, you should write down what is going on daily, you should write what is going on your H4. So if you identify that on USDJPY we are looking for sales, make sure that now you are on M30. Okay, so if you are on M30, what you're simply doing, you're looking at the market structure, and your job is also to draw trend lines. So without wasting much of your time guys, I just want this video to be short. If I draw my trend line like this, okay, if I draw it like this, let me, okay, sorry. Okay, so if you draw your trend line like this, okay, you can see that this thing USDJPY, it was on an uptrend, okay, but it's for me, to me, it broke the structure here, then it broke the structure here, then it came for a retest. So right now, me knowing that, remember I told you that the stochastic on level 80 here, it simply means over bought, meaning that you are looking for sales. So as for me right now, I'm now drawing trend lines. As you can see, this is my point on M30. This is my point A, then this is my point B, then this is going to be my point C. As you can see here, there are candlestick reversal patterns. So right here, I'm looking for sales. So guys, I just wanted this video to be short, and make sure, and it is my belief that you guys are going to learn a lot from this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we're going to keep giving you quality content that can help you to succeed in your forex trading careers. Thank you guys. If you've got any questions, you can leave them in the comment section.